Hi everyone. I am Upendra. This is my project using expesss, node.js, and using Firestore database. I have used, first of all, I have created a folder name called project 401. You can see in this, I have created index.js file. It is JS file. It stores all the important code, and after connecting pages, login page, sign up page, main page. This is my index.js. This is my signup.js page. It contains attributes like form inputs, name, email, confirm email, password, confirm password, and a checkbox to agree terms and conditions. And once the enter details get stored in the database by using JavaScript, I have used here name, and after sign up, it will redirect to the login page. In the login page, you have to enter email and password. If it checks whether it is present in the database, if it presents, it asks you to agree terms and conditions using checkbox. After submit, you will redirect to the main page. And this is my main page. It it displays a message called welcome and the username entered by the user if in the sign up page. After it will display the movies, it will display an input box here. You have to enter movie name. It will display the related information about the movie. Let's run this code. This is my local host 3000 page. First, let us sign up. Suppose password. I have entering. I have entered all the details correctly. So it redirected me to the main page. Here you can search for any movie. Suppose I am searching for a movie called Michi. It will display the poster and the information related to the movie by using API here. I have entered name as Raju, so here it displaying welcome and the username. And this is my API, movies API. And let us check. I have entered correct password, so I am now entering wrong password. Let us see. So it is checking invalid password. And in the sign up page, I have let us sign up again with the same email. It's, it should display the email is already in use. So it is displaying error here, email already in use. It checks the database, and let us see how this data is stored in the database. I have entered Raju name. This is email Raju name and password is storing like this because I have used a hashed password, and this is my project. If you did not use hash password, you will enter the password will display this here that will result in security reasons, so I have used hashed password, and this is my project. Once if you do not tick enter in the checkbox, it will not redirect. Once it checks all the details correctly, it will redirect to the main page. Here we can see by checking another movie. If the movie is present in the UPI, it displays the details, else it will display. Suppose I am entering some movie that is not present. It is displaying all the related. See, if the movie is not present, it displays movie is not found. Message like this. And let us come to the code. This is my index.js place. First of all, I have imported all the necessary modules. First, Express, app, Express, and request. These three is used for ex importing Express package. And later, this is my Firebase admin package. I have imported these packages for using Firebase admin, and I have used here crypto and bicrypt packages also, and here used credentials to and this is my package.json is the file of the database. It contains all names and about the project, and after I have used here EJS, so I have used a path name, director name, class views, and here you can see I have stored in the views and using EJS. So app.set view engine should be EJS, and this is my database importing package, database constant. I have used to store the data in the database by using this, and this is port where should be the project should be run in the browser localhost. Suppose 3000, it will run in the localhost 3000. Later the we get when we enter app dot localhost 3000, it will redirect to the login page, and also when we get localhost slash login, the same login page. When we entered into login page, it created a constant call, and it checks the whether the user entered email is present in the email in the database collection user, and it will get that email. And if the user slot empty means if the no user is found, it will result as user not found. Here after, if the user is found, it checks for the password entered is correct or not by using bicrypt. If the password is not not correct password, it will display invalid password. Once all the correct, it redirects to the main page, result or redirect page. In sign up page, it checks for the name, email, password here like this. If email is present already, it will display email already in use by using this. And I have used hash password, and by using bicrypt, I decoded the password by 10 digits, and it we adds in the database collection called user as I shown before here. This is my user collection, and once login, if it redirect to the login page once the sign up details are entered. And this is my API. I have used movies API, and and of this is my main page session. This is my port login, and I have this is my project. Thank you.